Is Binance actually a goldmine or just a fast way to lose your money? Here is the honest truth you need to hear before trading. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange where people buy, sell, and trade digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of how to get started, explained in American English. 1. Create an account. Download the Binance app or visit their website. Sign up using your email address or phone number and set a strong password. 2. Verify your identity, KYC. Before you can trade, Binance requires identity verification, know your customer. You'll need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID like a passport or national ID card and take a quick selfie. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours to process. 3. Deposit funds. Once verified, you can add funds to your account. P2P trading. Buy crypto directly from other sellers using local payment methods, like bank transfers or mobile wallets, credit/debit card, or bank deposit. Direct fiat deposits depending on your region's supported payment gateways. 4. Start trading. Convert your deposited currency into USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. From there, go to the spot market to buy or sell any crypto token you choose. Risk warning: the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Prices can go up or down significantly in a short period. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and make sure to research any coin before buying. Would you like a step-by-step walkthrough on how to safely use Binance P2P? Or do you have a specific coin in mind that you want to trade? Subscribe right now for more honest crypto tips, and drop a comment below letting me know if you're ready to start trading.